chair and would like to present something about you. What you?
Thank you, sir.
How would you like to introduce yourself?
Sir, I am 36 years old. I am an ex-serviceman. After completion of my 12th examination, I joined Indian Navy as a sailor, sir. I worked there for 15 years. After 15 years, I retired in the year 2018, sir. Post-retirement, I choose civil service as my career option, sir. If I speak about my academic career, sir, I completed my graduation and post-graduation during my service time. As a short-term goal, sir, I want to join Odisha Civil Services. As a long-term goal, sir, I want to serve something which can create a positive legacy for the society, from which a generation can inspire and do good to the best of their potential, sir. Sir, Krishna Kumar Jena.
You first forget to tell your name.
Ma'am, I intentionally kept out because Upesh is not asking nowadays name. That's why.
We will not be reciting that.
आपनों पाखो का आसुची तो सेज जिनसा practice करिए मैं.
Practice
Okay, that's fine.
I'm ready for this.
Sir, I'm sorry, sir. Not at all.
Krishna?
Kumar Jena.
Serial number 3.
Serial number 3.
Okay, you are from the Navy.
Yes, sir. I did that. Nice.
So yesterday there was a boat accident. And
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And the Indian people have gone with the rubber boats.
Yes, sir.
And what has gone wrong that the boat capsized and then they could not be saved and then the casualty came up. I am sure that they must have been trained
Yes,
and
sir. Yes, sir.
using the boats in speedy reverse and like that.
Yes, sir.
What is your reading about this?
Sir, I followed that unfortunate event took place day before yesterday, sir. Sir, ODI team is a capable and tactically very trained team, sir. But the one person whose name is coming very out, that is Amarinder Das, who is a journalist. He is not a trained person to deal with such situation. He should not be allowed in that boat, sir. First take is that. Second thing is that situation evaluation at the high level has been done. I am sure the table work has been done, but the strategy taken may went wrong something somewhere. There is always a possibility of a tactics going to be wrong, but the trained team is always ready to handle those situations. And the same thing happened, and the closeness of the boat to the Mundali barrage wall, that creates an obstacle for them, because the moment they fell down, and I also read in the paper the engines get off during the operation, sir. So malfunctioning of equipment is always play a vital role of such mishap, sir. And I believe this is only an unfortunate event. They have taken all precautions, but allowing a civilian in the rescue operation is always a detrimental. So that happened, unfortunately.
Not a very proper decision.
Sir, it's not about decision, but nowadays, sir, there is a tendency in media, sir. Media people are covering everywhere, sir. That particular person, he covered many Batya and cyclone situations previously, and he may got confidence, I'll cover this one, but the situation is here different because the river is overflowing, the force of water is very high, situation is different. We have to rescue an animal which is capable of swimming, sir. Elephant is very capable animal, sir. If they had allowed some time to barrage to fill, or the 2-3 gates has been closed, water level will be raised and the elephant will be able to swim itself only. But they decided to took the operation as a humanitarian ground to help the animal. It took a round trip.
Okay, well, we could not get actually convinced that when they were using life jackets,
Yes,
how
sir.
it can, now the casualty can happen like this. If
Sir,
there is a life jacket.
Yes, sir. So there is a life jacket. It is very true. The particular event where the incident took place, that particular place is very different, sir. Because of force of water getting down to the barrage wall, they got force with the force of water. They get inside, and I believe if I'll be in that place, I must take a hit on the wall, and the person will get unconscious. And rotational force will come in of the water. They will take you down, take you up, and if you are on the, if you hold to the boat, you can get safe, because the buoyancy of boat is much higher than human body. It will not get drowned with the force of water, but single individual as a human, there is possibility he can roll down to the deep and also take a hit of the water and the wall.
Time required to come from the deep.
Yes, sir. It needs some time, and if you take a hit on the wall, that is detrimental for the human life, sir.
Okay. What are your options?
Sir, my option is geography and political science and international relations.
Geography and politics.
Yes, sir.
So you belong to which place?
Sir, I belong to Rourkela.
Rourkela. Proper place? Proper Rourkela?
Sir, Rourkela, sir.
Yeah. What is about Rourkela that you can, if somebody wants to ask you, tell something about Rourkela? What do you think?
Sir, if I'll start about Rourkela saying, I'll first say it is the heartland of engineering of India. In the year 1955, German modernized sail came there, and it became a engineering marble for and exemplary for other industries, steel industry in particular. So, besides this, Rourkela is famous for its multi-ethnicity availability and people coming from all over India. That's why it is called Mini India. This word particularly attract everyone to come to Rourkela, sir. Besides that, Rourkela having academic excellence center like NIT, sir, which is a institute of national importance. If I speak about Rourkela's attraction, there are many places, man-made and natural places are there. If I speak about natural places, Pitamahal Dam and Vedvyas Ashram. The particular Vedvyas Ashram is believed to be the place where Lord Ganesha has written Mahabharata, dictated by Vedvyas ji. If I'll speak of Pitamahal Dam, it's a storage place of dam reservoir. Recently, Odisha government allowed a ecotourism project for that particular dam area.
What are the two rivers which are meeting at Vedvyas?
Sir, Sankha and Koel, sir.
Their place of origin?
So they are coming from Upper Riparian state, Chhattisgarh, sir. And exactly particular origin I am unable to recall it now, sir.
Okay. What are the mineral resources around Rourkela?
Sir, mineral resources are only mainly abundant of iron ore, sir. Bichekani Pahada, which is eastern of the Brahmani river, that Pahada is a abundant place for iron ore, which also supplied the iron ore for the Rourkela steel plant, sir.
Okay. Any other mineral resource that you know around Rourkela?
Sir, sorry, sir, I am unable to recall it now, sir. The particular place name.
But there are quite a number of.
Yes, sir. There are quite number of available. Fertilizer plant is also there.
Limestone is there, manganese is there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. What are your hobbies?
Sir, hobby. I basically since last year I am preparing for this examination and managing family life also in between. I try to do everyday exercises, sir. Mild exercise presently because for endurance exercise we need much time to give our body. I have to do 1 hour exercises which includes normal running and some stretching exercises. As a particular, if I will continue something, that is cycling.
Okay. Okay. That is the last question from my side.
So,
As a person from Indian Navy,
so.
how can you best contribute towards the missionary services?
So during my training and job exposure in Indian Navy, I learned first of thing most important is discipline, sir. I know how to take orders, a positive attitude in life which will allow us to deal with any different and pressure conditions, sir. But by any means of any condition, we need to follow the orders of our senior. This is very important in civil services also. Government give us many targets, many orientation which is required to develop the life of people in underserved areas, sir. For that purpose, we have many conditions come everyday life which will allow me using my experience of armed forces to deal with those situations. Mainly, most importantly, if I see, I have a self-belief system of never giving up easily, sir.
Okay. Suppose you observe somewhere
Sir.
some kind of corruption. Then
Sir.
what can be your role in that?
Sir, first of all, I'll try to investigate about that thing. What kind of corruption is that? Is it under my office or outside of? If it is outside of my office, I'll be less bothered about. If my involvement of my team is there, my people's involvement is there, then I have to inquire it thoroughly. I have to ask for an independent inquiry so that I can come to zero upon who is responsible for that. If there is any responsible person come out of the finding, I have to take action upon that, sir. And also at the same time, after taking action about that, I have to sensitize my team regular basis that not to indulge in this type of activities in future, sir.
Okay. Good.
Yes,
Thank you, sir.
Yes. So it's better not to utter your name.
No, ma'am, you can do, ma'am. You can do, ma'am.
Krishna Kumar.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
I
sir.
know, but if the practice is going on not to uttering the name,
They are not supposed to. Okay. So they will introduce. They will introduce one name.
Our purpose
Okay,
to
okay,
identify
then-
by
then fine. Okay, please tell how many percentage of women are working in Indian Navy?
So the percentage is very low because in all branches, all core of Navy, women are not allowed yet. Only logistic cadre, education cadre and air traffic control cadre having women. Very recently, Judicial Services of Indian Navy is also allowing women to join. Recently, Supreme Court has given directives regarding women to join infantries or operational battalions. That is in particular a case of Indian Army. I am sure Navy is going to follow the footstep. Combined Defence Services allow women to join, and Officer Training Academy allow women to join Indian Navy. But Supreme Court that is to allow women to also join through NDA. Government has taken a beautiful decision during the this August Independence Day on 15th August, ma'am, that the girls child are allowed for Sainik school, which I personally believe a welcoming step by all Indians, because allowing girls for joining Sainik school will make them more grooming for them, because I believe a girl who joined armed forces before to the joining, they are very mentally strong. We just made them physically better ready for the armed forces. They are very strong by the mental, because they have to fight everything in society in our setup, and they join armed forces, start fighting in the parents, fighting in the society, belief of friends, brothers, sisters. Still they join the armed forces. We just need to groom them physically little bit and give them operational ability. The number is very low, but we are rising that numbers.
Okay, that is a welcome step. You have also positive outlook for that entry of the women into the defense system. But in my opinion, so far as the mental caliber or mental competition is concerned, girls or women are not on the back front. In the official cadre level of the Indian Navy or the armed forces, they could be taken as a they should also allow to compete, and they should be taken in good numbers. But whenever coming to the muscles power or something like that, we could also go in favor of the taking male persons. But why there is a negligible number or so even prior to the Supreme Court decisions?
Ma'am, I will differ a little bit here. At higher command level, physical power is not needed that much. There is more need of leadership qualities and leading your team at difficult times. For commanding a unit, those qualities can be inherent, and mental abilities mainly. Physical abilities up to certain level, mainly at soldiers level. And as of now, women are allowed in only officers cadre. So more than physical cadre, physical strength, they need the mental strength. And mental strength is already there. That's why they get selected to the process. What the Navy or Army or Air Force do? They put a meticulously planned training program for them, which make them eligible to handle all kind of situations.
Even at the officers level, the number is very negligible. At the officers level,
Yes,
the number is very negligible.
Yes, ma'am. What we have to do? Sorry, I stopped you, ma'am. What we have to do? Sir, there is a requirement for to deal with the infantry situation. I will give a common example, which will be relate easily. If Indian Army need to a person, a man or girl to be posted at Tibet or high altitude operations, they need to be physically and mentally fit to deal with those, not only enemy situation, also with the geographical situations. If you posted an unfit man even at that position, it will detriment for him also, and also the team posted there. So if when it is the operational requirement of a forces, the standard to be maintained thoroughly, let it be man or let it be woman. I am sure our women or girls are going to meet that standard in future, and they will be posted in higher operational situations.
Okay. Then please tell something about the participatory administration in Indian system, Indian governance system. Participatory administration. What do you mean by that?
Sir, exactly, ma'am, participatory administration I will not able to speak, but by understanding of participatory means participation of people while forming of the government. In India, democratic country, election is the biggest participatory form in which every decision taken by the representative of our people is responsible to our nation's people also.
Okay, that is from the election point of view. But
Yes,
directly people taking part in the administration, could you also cite some of the examples relating to that is constitutional provision as well as practice in all over all the states?
Yes, ma'am. In India, there is Gram Panchayat system is there. Local body systems are there, which are grassroots level administrative practices. In the year 1992, 73rd Constitutional Amendment and 74th Constitutional Amendment provided local bodies and Gram Panchayat constitutional powers through which their strength and legality and statutory ability increased a lot. State Finance Commission has been formulated to make it more responsible.
Okay, please, do you aware about something concept like Gram Sabha and Palli Sabha?
Yes, ma'am. Gram Sabha is the lowest tier of Gram Panchayat, where people of the village are the member of as a electoral member of the particular body, and they elected directly their representatives to the particular council or forum.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sorry.
Thank you, ma'am.
You are having optional political science.
Yes, sir.
What is three-tier government?
So three-tier government, so union government, state government, and local bodies government can be explained as three-tier governments.
Three-tier governance?
Sorry, sir, I'm unable to connect the connection, sir.
Do you know what is the concept of bourgeois in a society?
Sorry, sir, I'm unable to recall that one, sir.
What is redistribution in society?
Yes, sir. Redistribution means something in concept of the persons or the people or the resources of a nation should not be get pulled with a particular one person or any one society. It should be distributed evenly between all. That is redistribution, sir. That means a particular section of society or very minimal percentage of society having the maximum money. Presently, if I say disparity, inequality in terms of earnings and having assets is very large in India, because 10% population of India is carrying 60% of capital of India. Where that can be redistributed through other means of like taxing system or any responsible activities from the higher section which are having that much of assets. If I give an example, corporate social responsibility activities of that nature, in which they use their profits, they use their part of profits for the development of the surroundings, which helps to.
You are from Navy, naval background.
Yes, sir.
Who is the current chief of Navy?
Sir, current chief of is Admiral Karambir Singh, PBSM, ABSM, NM. He was my commanding officer in the year 2009.
How many stations you have served?
Sir, in my service career, initially I went through basic training center which took place in Odisha, INS Chilka. Post that I went to my professional training at Kerala, INS Vendoti, located in Kochi. Then I got my first posting in a destroyer ship, that is INS Delhi, because of my top scoring in professional course. There I posted for 5 years, Western Belt security responsibility on that particular ship. So it was the biggest fleet ship of Indian Navy, having capability of all SSM since beginning from all missile capabilities. Besides that, after that I posted to INS Adyar, which is the Ops Tasa station, looks after LTT operation during that time in the year 2009. So during the same year, civil war of Sri Lanka took place, and Bhaskar and LTT chief has been assistant during that particular year. I was posted during that time. Post that, during the after 1 year of posting there, I met with an operational accident during my duty, sir, for which my medical category has been reduced to non-battlefield fitment. And post that, I got opportunity to posted only administrative units, where I got ample opportunity of learning about administrative traits, and took initiative to learn, because till then I am an operational sailor. I only posted to battlefields, but after that my looking after the armed forces has been changed a lot.
Now there is a term everyone use, pandemic.
Pandemic, sir.
What is pandemic?
Sir, a disease which generates from a particular place and spread to all over the land mass area. For example, COVID has generated Wuhan region of China, and it spread to all other continents. That nature of spreading of a disease can be technically called as pandemic. So, pan plus endemic. So, it's something which generated at a particular place and spread to all other geographic locations.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So what is the defense power of the President of India?
Sir, he is Supreme Commander of our armed forces. Before we went to any operational war, it is though the decision taken by the Council of Ministers and Prime Minister of India, but the word of war given to be by President of India. So.
Do you think that it is just an ornamental or it is a real power?
Sir, ornamental will be.
If he becomes proactive, can he use his power?
No sir, in our setup, he is responsible by constitutional article 74, he is responsible and he has to listen to the advice given by the Prime Minister through Council of Ministers. So that has been imposed upon that constitutional power of President by the amendment.
He cannot forego that?
Sir, he can forego in certain situations, but it will again back to, if the recommendation comes again from Council of Ministers, then he has to listen to that advice came from Minister and Council of Ministers.
So he cannot say no for the second time. It's just like bills.
Sir, there are certain bills, there is a power given to him, pocketing veto powers are there. In such a situation, he can withhold some of his decisions.
Okay, I would like to know your mind that if a president becomes anarchy
Yes, sir.
in our system,
Yes, sir.
being the supreme power of the
Yes,
armed forces,
yes.
can it be possible on him? Is there any deterrent to utilize that power?
No, sir, I don't see any such situation where President can misuse his power.
Because suppose he wants to misuse the power. Because now he is the supreme command. So whatever the command will go from him, naturally your forces are supposed to follow it.
No, sir, I don't believe in, that will be possible because there is a check and balance available in every place. Even armed forces want to be mutiny, they can't do because there are lots of bureaucracy check on armed forces in decision making positions. Same way President is abided by our constitutional powers and he has limitation in operating those powers. Yes, he is our tutorial head and he is our nominal head of the nation, first citizen of India.
Okay, we are getting some of the points. I think, what is your take on this? Why you choose this mock interview? What was your...
So first of all, Apti Plus is giving the most professional interview in Bhubaneswar. As a candidate, not only me,
How
everyone
do you
wants.
think that is the most professional? There are many boards are sitting in Bhubaneswar in different places.
So today I came in the morning itself. It was on time. First of all, it's saving lots of time for the candidates. That's the first impression. Second is that the board has a. We came here for professional experience. As lots of seniors, experienced person, and I got a message from my co-candidate that there is a psychologist sitting in the board. He can access your behavior properly. So you went there. Thirdly, sir, I think rather than going to several places, let's go to a place we can give us quality evaluation.
Anyway, okay, what is your reaction to this and what is your assessment of the present mock interview? The objective with which you came over here, how do you feel it?
Sir, I'm feeling good because board is very blessing with me. Secondly, sir, while I came in, there is some thing in my mind that I am not well prepared on my facts. So I try to balance that facts, not giving facts much, and try to go as general as possible. Now it's board's view how
Okay, it's all right. Madam, any feedback?
Yes, Krishna.
Yes, ma'am.
Whenever you sir was asking a particular question that is there any probability that President could act as a anarchy or as for himself captivies in our Indian context?
Yes, ma'am.
Your pertinent answers would be like this. Yes, it's not possible because we have a parliamentary form of government. Our constitution provides not a president form of government like USA.
Yes, ma'am.
We have a parliamentary form of government, but president forms the chief executive head. President is the part of the executive. And under our system, the very line is executive works under the clock of the legislature. It's the legislature which controls the executive. The executive although president is the armed forces head, but he cannot take a single hand decision. He cannot take a single hand decision because the parliament is there. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So that will be the appropriate and also in the brief answer. Your communication skill is good, very good, and you have also depth of knowledge and a very good experience of the Navy. You answered also well so far as the ladies' entry in the soldier school, starting from the soldier school and NDA appearance, that's fine. But one thing that sir asked about what is the bourgeois, that is the half group, the elite group of the society that as per the communistic, that is a word frequently used in the communistic ideology, that you could also tell, and you have a good preparation and fine preparation also for the interview. How did you do well in your optionals, Krishna?
Ma'am, in 2 papers I was doubtful because the cutoff of last years are very high. So expectation is very high from optional marking, but I didn't potentially score was lower in 2 papers. So I have to perform well in the interview so that I can get a margin.
When is your date of interview?
Ma'am, my interview date is 4th October.
4th October.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, there is plenty of time, sir.
Now, here is plenty of time.
Yes.
Okay, our assessment is,
So,
as far as the RP person comes for a board,
so,
for an interview, naturally there are obvious expectations with your experience. So most of the questions are likely to go with your experience as a RB officer. So those things will be doing well, we are sure now. From the board we can assess
so,
that you are sure of whatever your performances have been, how best you can project yourself as a RB officer, how best the kind of discipline and the inheritance of the very aggressiveness of a kind of a soldier that is with you, that is a spirit very much available with you, everything good. And 2-3 things are likely to come, which may, how much you know about your district, how much you know about your place,
so,
how much you know about the people around, how much you know about little bit of the geography of the
Sir,
state.
smart city of the Rourkela, sir.
yes, I forgot.
So
Another thing he did not tell.
I am coming to that, So these are some of the things which are also equally important. 50% goes with your experience, another 50% will come to this area. And some national, international may be or may not be. So when it comes to your local area, Rourkela is a smart city.
So,
It is in the process. Rourkela is going to have the international standard hockey stadium.
yes.
And then Rourkela is always in the news for something, like sports and hockey,
Yes.
many luminaries have come out from that place. So you are supposed to be thorough on those things.
So,
And it's bit of geography of Odisha.
so,
I think we can handle that.
so,
And
so.
probably we hope that you will be performing very well. With the present level of performance, you are likely to achieve 200 out of 250 definitely. We are sure of this.
So,
And we hope that still you can also improve upon.
I will do that.
କହିଲା ବେଳେ when you are speaking about, ଟିକେ slow କଲେ ଭଲ ହେବ.
Sir.
There will be
Sir.
more impactful. You are moving little faster. ଠିକ ଅଛି, ସେମିତି କିଛି ଖରାପ ହେଇନି. Faster ଯିବାଟା ଅତି ବେଶୀ ଖରାପ ଲାଗୁନି.
That is the maybe the natural way, sir.
That is the natural way. କିନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଯଦି ସ୍ଲୋ ହେଇପାରିବ,
ଆଉ ଟିକେ, ହଁ.
ସ୍ଲୋ ହେଲେ
practice କରିବି.
ନାଇଁ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ୍ ବି ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ. ଜଷ୍ଟ ଇମାଜିନ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଦେନ୍ ସେ ବେଶୀ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ୍ କରିକି ନିଜ ଇଏକୁ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ କରିବା ବି ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ. କିଛି ନେଗେଟିଭ୍ ନାହିଁ. ହେଇପାରିଲା ଯଦି ଭଲ. That will create little more impact.
ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଭାବିକି ସ୍ଲୋ କହିବ.
Go slow so that you can connect with the answer.
So,
ଆଉ ତାପରେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ତ କହିଲ ଯୋଉଟା କି ଆପଣ କହିଲେନି କି ମାନେ I am not getting the answer. ନା କ'ଣ କହିଲ
Not able to
Not able to
recollect.
recollect.
so actually ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନଥିଲି ସେଇଟା.
ନାଇଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି, but that is not the submission.
Sir,
You are supposed to submit that I don't know. You are not supposed to
I'll come
say that I am not remembering.
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ
while
I'm
you are
stopping mom.
while
ଗୋଟେ
you
କହିଲେ,
are
sir,
telling about
ଆଉ
Rourkela,
ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ଯୋଉ କହିଲେ I'm stopping you mom. ସେଇଟା
ହଁ.
ଯୋଉଟା board member କୁ actually stopping you or
ସେମିତି
may I
କିଛି
be
ଗୋଟେ-
given the opportunity to talk now. He like this also.
I'm sorry. I'm
No,
sorry.
no, not, these are very minorly we are mapping. This is
Yes.
not the real interview. Each word of your we are assessing so that how also polite, gentle, courteous your personality should be. We are marking, the board may not be marked, but once you uttered that I am stopping you mom, that should not be uttered with the real
So that is why the hurriness is bringing these things. If you control those things, no, these things will not come. The conflict of
ମୁଁ କହିବା ଆରମ୍ଭ
question and the answer.
Ah.
ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଇମୋସନାଲ ହେଇଯାଉଛି.
Fast
Control your
speaking, sir,
emotions.
ଟିକେ smart, fast speaking.
ଫାଷ୍ଟ ସ୍ପିକିଂ ରେ ଟିକେ ସାର୍ ଯେମିତି କହିଲେ
ହଁ.
କୋଉଟା ରଙ୍ଗ ହେଇଯିବ, ସାର୍ ଜାଣିପାରିବନି ସେଟା କଣଟା କହୁଛି. ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ହେଲା while you are describing about Rourkela, you should tell where Rourkela is situated under which jurisdiction district. You are missing that.
Yes. Yes. keep that much.
ଜିନିଷ ଟିକେ ଅଧିକା
Meticulously
ଟିକେ
କହିବ।
improve କରିବ
ଯେ so Raurkela is a place in the district of this. Which district? Sundargarh district.
As you are introducing yourself, similarly also think of how best you can introduce Raurkela at this Sundargarh district.
Put it economic, geography, politics, socio-geographical, economic, mining, minerals. କହିଲେ ଏତିକି ଜିନିଷ କ୍ୟାରେକ୍ଟରିଷ୍ଟିକ୍ସ ରହିଛି ଆଉ ତମେ ଗୋଟେ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ୱାଇଜ୍ କହିବ ସବୁ ଭଲ କହିବ
Sir.
ଆଉ ବେଶୀ ବର୍ଣ୍ଣନା କରୁଛ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷଟାକୁ ତାକୁ କମ୍ କରିକି ମେଟିକୁଲସଲି ଗୋଟେ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ଏରିଆକୁ ଗୋଟେ ଜିଓଗ୍ରାଫିକାଲ ଲୋକେସନକୁ ମେଟିକୁଲସଲି କରିବ ଫ୍ରମ୍ ଅଲ୍ ଆସ୍ପେକ୍ଟସ୍।
ତମର କ'ଣ ହଉଛି କି ଗୋଟେ ଡିମେରିଟ୍ ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି ସେ ଡିମେରିଟ୍ଟା ତମକୁ ମାନେ ପୁଲ୍ ଡାଉନ୍ ନ କରୁ କାରଣ ତମର the way of speaking and delivery as a army man and speaking very fast ତାପରେ the level of confidence with which you are approaching ତା ଭିତରେ କ'ଣ କି ନିଜର ଯେଉଁ ପର୍ସନାଲିଟି ଯେତିକି ମାନେ ଆଗକୁ ଆସିବା କଥା as a army man it is all right but you are not going to enter into army service you are going to a service where you have to deal with the public. So there are some other qualities which are also equally important other than army जो discipline जो culture अच्छी टिके differ करियो एठी because you have to interact with the people common people. Then see personality aspect टिके because there will be psychological people also to work with you. Simply sort of negative देखा जाओ we don't see negative but we want to improve on that.
I'll come to the second board also. I'm sure
मतलब
I
बेसिक
will.
पॉजिटिव କହିଦେଲେ you will be complacent.
नहीं sir, ମୁଁ ଆସିବି second or third board ପାଇଁ ଆସିବି.
I'm not necessary. I don't think you can take a chance per second. Don't third not necessary.
देखो टाइम अच्छी now 3-4 days नियो प्रिपेयर करो तापर जे भाबिबो ना I need another month then you can
Okay, wish all the best. Snap.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
all
sir.
the best. God bless.
Thank you, sir.
I will see you in the list. We are hopeful.
Sir, we come.
we have a hope.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for keeping hope on me, sir.
Because people also look for some good people with good experience, good sincerity,
defense
discipline.
background
Defense background ଲୋକମାନେ ଟିକେ ସେମାନେ ଚାହିଁବେ
Discipline ଟାକୁ ଆଣିଛ
ତାଙ୍କର ତମର ବି ଅଛି ନା definite reservation also.
Sir.
Yes, sir. We are reservation. Odisha Revenue Service.
ହଁ
ସବୁଥିରେ ଅଛି
Sir,
ସିଭିଲ ସର୍ଭିସରେ ଅଛି ରିଜର୍ଭେସନ
yes, sir.
Perhaps 1%.
ଥିବ କିଛି
Sir, it's act like a boomerang, sir.
And you are a very good material for the OCS. You are also very good material for OCS.
Thank you, ma'am.
ఓకే
So you boost my confidence.
Okay, we hope so. Thank you. Welcome. We'll see with flying colors.
Yes, sir.
All the best.